Okay, so I'm gonna be explaining level one. One day the store sells a total of 252 cans of soda, and there are 100 customers. So every customer bought at least one can of soda. So what is the maximum possible median number of cans of soda sold? So if we arrange everything in numerical order, then what we have is the maximum possible median is the maximum of the average of the 50th and the 51st. So this is basically what we want to find. We want to find the average between these two. And so if we want if we want to find the maximum, we minimize the first 49 we minimize the first 49 people, so and everyone buys at least one can, so there are a total of 49 cans that are sold, and for the 50th through the 100th, they have a total of 252 minus 49, which is 203 cans. And there are 203 cans, and there are 51 remaining total people. So 203 when divided among 51 is 3 with a remainder of 50. So, and we're organizing it with uh we're organizing it with numerical order. So the smallest one out of the 50 through 100 is the 50th, and the 50th would be 3, and 51 through 100 would just be 4. And what we want to find is the maximum of the average of the 50th term and the 51st term. So that is the 3 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 3.5. So that is the maximum median. Does anyone have any questions? Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next one then. So I am periodically visited by 3 people. Uh, we call them A, B, and C. So, Alex visits every 3 days, Bob visits every 4 days, and Charles visits every 5 days. So, uh, in total, all 3 visit at the same time every 3 times 4 times 5, which is 60 days. And so, 365 divided by 60 is 6. And in order to get so basically in the Venn diagram, what we want is these 3 parts. So what we do is we find this part and then subtract this and do that for all of the remaining. Uh, yeah, so uh, oops. Okay. So, if we want to find this, that is the that is Alex visits every 3 days and Charles visits every 5 days. So both of them visit every 15 days. So 365 divided by 15 is 24. And there's this part in total is 24, and this is 6, so this part is 18. And uh three and this one is Bob visits every 4 and Charles visits every 5. So they visit together every 20 days. And this is 18. So this is 12. And the final one is Alex and Bob visit every 3 and 4 days. So that's 365 divided by 12, which is 30. And this is 6, so this is 24. So we want to find the sum of these three regions. So it's 18 plus 12 plus 24 equals 54.